batch, 7 to 10 years old. For the 4 p.m. first batch. Okay, so now I'll be asking all our kids to start getting the Lego bricks that they like. So I would like to remind all the kids you don't have to get all the pieces, okay? Just get the things that you need. And later on, you can still get during our time, okay? During the contest, you can still get if you feel that you need more bricks. Okay, so kids, you can get now.
Go.
Okay, no pushing, okay?
Born here,
Take
born.
turns. Okay, no pushing.
Dali na, faster.
You will be given enough time. Okay, next we have 30% stability. Stability meaning your Lego creation should not fall down. Okay, it should not fall apart when you stand up. When you hold your creation, it should be sturdy. Okay, that's 30%. Next we have 30% nearness to reality. When we say nearness to reality, when you make a house, it should look like a house, not a dog. When you make a tree, it should look like a tree, not a building. Okay? So that's 30% nearness to reality. Then, last one.
I made a building which represents living success.
Very good.
For many businesses and technology and years because the Lego is